Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the your connection to this site is not secure error in Google Chrome. If you see this message, click on the not secure here, this one, and then click learn more. This will take you to Google's explanation. If you are okay proceeding to this site, you can bypass security checks by changing a few settings. Click on the three dot menu here. Then in the top right corner, then select settings. From the left menu to the settings, go to privacy and security here. Then click on security. Scroll down and choose no protection under safe browsing. Confirm by clicking turn off. After that, turn off this one as well. Always use secure connections. Now go back to the site, refresh it, and the warning should be gone. Keep in mind, this turns off some protection features. So only do this if you trust the site. That's it. If this helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes.